In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish ideas in TradingView. Whether you're new to TradingView or an experienced user, sharing your trading ideas can be a great way to gain insights from others and contribute to the community. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to publish your brilliant ideas and be part of this vibrant trading environment. First, you'll want to navigate to the chart feature on TradingView. It serves as the foundation for showcasing your ideas, allowing you to illustrate your thoughts directly on the visual data. Whether you're interested in technical analysis or just want to illustrate a market theory, starting here is crucial. So, log into your TradingView account and access your chart section. Once you're in the charting area and you're satisfied with the analysis or the idea you formulated, it's time to share it. Look towards the upper section of your screen where you'll find the Publish button. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu. Choose Publish Idea. This is where the magic begins, transferring your thoughts from your screen to a broader audience. After you select Publish Idea, you will be prompted to confirm your action. Clicking Continue confirms that you're ready to share your insights with the TradingView community. It's a straightforward step, but make sure that everything looks exactly as you intend. This is your last chance to make any adjustments or fine-tune the information you wish to share. A few quick tips before you hit that final confirmation. Double check that all the annotations and details on your chart are accurate and clearly communicate your idea. Consider the title and description you provide. They're your opportunity to engage potential viewers. Craft these elements carefully to intrigue your audience and provide a solid foundation for discussion and interaction. Moreover, remember that once you publish an idea on TradingView, it's out there for the world to see. It's always worth one last review to ensure all aspects of your analysis are conveyed precisely as you intended. Sharing your ideas is not only about presenting your thoughts, but also about starting a conversation, so clarity is key. That's it. You've successfully published your idea on TradingView. By sharing your insights, you've opened the door to feedback, possible collaborations, or simply making your mark in the trading world. The TradingView platform thrives on user contributions, and with these simple steps, you're now an active part of this creative process. Enjoy engaging with the community and don't forget to explore ideas from others as well. It's a two-way street that can enhance your trading journey. Thank you for watching and happy trading.